No! You know what? I'm gonna go out on the record and say it. Law school was not that bad. I feel like lawyers in general like to over-exaggerate how hard law school was. Is it annoying? Yes. Is there a lot of unnecessary stuff?
Yes.
Is it hard? What's going on, y'all? Attorney Tom here. Time to react to this week's TikToks. As always, I save the most liked TikTok for the end, so make sure you stick around. And I have my trusty knowledge hammer ready.
I will take you outside and f you in the street.
Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told? Dumb conversation.
Okay, I don't know why this TikTok is in there. How do I put a legal spin on this? Okay, if you're under 18 years old, your parents can tell you what to do. It ain't always fair, but that's what it is.
You really did not do that. Why the f would you do that? What the f, Connor? It's below your elbow. Don't you ever want a real job?
I already have a real job.
No! Oh my God! It's not coming. It is coming out.
No, it's not. No, it's not gonna come out.
A seashell?
Okay, first of all, I think Connor is right. I don't think tattoos really have the stigma that they used to. Second of all, the flip side of the discussion we were just having about parent-child relationships is that once you're over 18 and you are independent, you can do whatever the hell you want. That doesn't mean you're free from consequences, like your mom freaking out on you.
A seashell?
But you're an adult. You can do that. The Muppets! Who is the best Muppet? There's only one correct answer. If you didn't say Beaker, you're wrong, and you get a knowledge hammer. Now, I remember reacting to this video about a year ago, and the question is, could the couple sue? Potentially, it's just going to depend on the damages. Now, the good thing with videos, you can always re-edit videos. So in theory, you can just edit out the Muppet part. But if the videographer deleted the key parts of the wedding that were replaced with the Muppet part, meaning even if you re-edit it, the original her walking down the aisle doesn't exist, I definitely could see some form of damages. But is it funny? Yes.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Cats are so weird. That's why I like cats. Team cats. I like dogs too, but I love cats.
Help me.
Oh boy.
I'm not part of the family? No! You don't act right, you're not part of the family!
Oh, yeah. Oh boy.
I'm not part of the family? No!
Man, there's a lot of family drama in today's TikTok videos. I feel like one more of these videos, I'm gonna turn into a divorce lawyer.
If you ever need to remove the emblem off your steering wheel, just grab a screwdriver, get under here, you push really hard, and... Holy... Hey, you good? Yeah, we're good.
Oh my God. It's actually been on my to-do list to make a longer video about the Takata airbag recall. These airbags were defective and really, really dangerous, and it is a very interesting litigation. Now, the argument here is, was the airbag defective or was it working properly when some guy jammed a screwdriver in it? And while I have a certain opinion on this case, I don't want to taint the jury pool because I actually know a lot about defective airbags. So let me know in the comments below what your analysis is of this case.
I'll pay you $100 if you put 40 on Texas.
Smart move by Timmy. Listen, the NCAA has adopted the name, image, likeness deal so players can monetize their name, image, and likeness, but they cannot get paid for their performance. So very smart on this player, Timmy, for denying the money so he doesn't get in trouble with the NCAA.
Do you like your new tie?
Hell yeah.
It makes you look very handsome.
That cat is hired. Attorney Tom and Cat and Associates. Take that, Morgan and Morgan. Damn, people, get it together. Not only is the entity in charge of installing this window going to be responsible for replacing the window and the damage done, but they are going to be responsible if they hurt anybody on the ground. Look at this. The window just breaks and it's fallen into the street. But I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. That's why we have construction zones. In theory, there should be nothing underneath or nobody underneath because this is foreseeable. And if somebody did get hurt because they were underneath, then not only are the people in charge of installing the window going to be held accountable, but the people in charge of planning the premises are going to be held responsible as well. Okay, I'm gonna knowledge hammer the editors. I need legal related content.
A seashell?
This poor doggo is being falsely accused of tearing up his bed. Hi, I'm Leroy Brown, dog attorney at law, and here's the real story. Hero dog saves family. That's right, this bed was exploding. This dog dragged the bed outside, risking his own life to save his family. You're a hero.
It's pretty much what lawyers do. It's all about the spin, baby. That's why we get paid the big bucks. Round of applause for Leroy Brown, dog attorney at law.
Helicopter, helicopter.
This was one of my first videos that I ever made. I think it was my second or third ever YouTube video doing an analysis of this situation.
What we're gonna do right here is go back. Way back. Back into time.
In short, you have to prove that the rescue crew did not act in a manner in which a reasonably prudent rescue crew would have done in the same or similar circumstances.
It's sad, and I feel bad for the person, but, you know, it's also a little funny. She ended up being okay. That's why it's funny, just to clarify.
Shut the f up when cops ask questions, answering this question. So you get cops out there who will say, I don't have to tell you why I pulled you over. Give me your license, insurance, and registration. So you got a choice. If you want to, really stand up for your rights, you can say no. Chances are, cop's gonna get pissed and he's gonna rip you out of the car, break your window, pull you out, say that he was afraid for his safety, because starting with Terry v. Ohio, they can do that. All they got to do is say, oh, I was afraid for my safety, I had to clear the car because I thought I saw a weapon or something, and then they rip you out and that's it. So best thing to do is to comply with their requests to hand over all your stuff, no matter what they do or don't do. And remember, the time to complain is later in court. We show all the shit they did wrong after in court. So comply now, complain later. Only room for one ego at a traffic stop. Let it be a cop.
That was a great explanation. That was a great explanation. Anybody who doesn't know the Pop Brothers at Law, you gotta know the Pop Brothers at Law. They are legends. And that is a common question that I get all the time. Yes, shut the up. Don't talk to the police. But in reality, you have to do some minimal compliance. Otherwise, they're just gonna be a total jerk to you and make your life a living hell. And now it's time for the most liked video of the week. Thank y'all so much for watching. My goal is always to make content worthy of your time. Let's jump into it. Oh my. Ah! He's okay. He's okay. So obvious mistake number one is bringing one of those three-wheeler things to a skate park. What did you think was going to happen? Second, When you're falling off, just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just release. Release. And I know I tell y'all time and time again, never to ride motorcycles on this channel. It comes from a place of love. But I'm also extending this warning to the tri-wheel things. So he gets a knowledge hammer for multiple reasons. Be safe.
He's a catastrophic injury attorney who accidentally became a YouTuber. Attorney Talk.